What is going on, everybody? Today it's a pull session. I'm gonna take you through my own pull session that I'm currently doing twice a week. In this video, I'm gonna explain what to do in each exercise as we see them and how to perform them with the best possible form. The amount of reps and sets will be shown on the screen, and I'm also going to tell you guys as well as in the description, so you can copy and paste it into your notes on your phone or whatever you want to do, so you have them ready for when you actually want to try this workout yourself, which I really recommend. This improved my overall physique a ton. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you through my workout now. I hope you guys enjoy the video. For the first exercise, we have the face pull performed with a rope. You can see how it's performed with a good form on the screen. The muscle groups for this exercise are going to be the lateral delt, the rear delt, and especially the traps. This is a very good exercise also just for getting a better posture in general. So that's also very nice. For this exercise, we're doing one warm-up set and two working sets, and this is pretty much how the entire workout is going to be. This exercise is called having fun. It's very important for your workouts. So for this exercise, it's the lat pull down, standing lat pull down, and you want to have a kind of wide grip. And when you perform this exercise, you want to lean back at the stretch and go up when you are squeezing the muscle for the best contraction and mind muscle connection. This exercise is mainly just to target your lats, and it gives you a great pump before the rest of the exercises. When you perform this, you don't want to actually use your forearms, you want to hold them the same kind of position the entire pull, so you don't accidentally use your triceps instead of your lats to pull the bar down. For the weight, we're going pretty light to medium. This is the third exercise, which is a standard seated lat pull. For this exercise, we have a neutral grip, so we don't only use pronated grips. This is very important. So you kind of use the entire back. You hit the muscle groups kind of different when you kind of twist your hands from pronated to neutral and then supinated grips. So that is why we have this attachment. When you perform this pull down, you want to kind of think about putting your elbows towards your chest instead of out. This will hit your lats better and you will have a much better contraction and mind muscle connection. You want to perform the exercise very slow so you can really stretch the back, and this actually goes for all the back exercises pretty much. For this exercise, we're doing one warm-up set and then two working sets. For the weight, you don't want it to be extremely high and very hard, because this kind of ruins the mind muscle connection and the contraction. However, we are going a little heavier than the other exercises, so kinda a medium weight. This exercise is special in the way we're using pronated, neutral, and supinated grip. I kind of made this exercise up myself, at least as far as I know. I haven't seen anyone else perform it this way. So we are supersetting the three grips with 8 to 12 reps for each grip style. So 8 to 12 pronated, 8 to 12 neutral, 8 to 12 supinated. And of course, we switch arm for each 12 reps. So while I'm using the left arm, my right arm can actually just rest a little bit before I switch the grip and do it pronated. Neutral and then supinated, right? So for this exercise, we're hitting the lats, the traps, the rear delt, and pretty much an entire back. And it's very great. I really love doing this exercise, and we actually only do one warm-up set and then a normal working set because we have so much volume, because this is a superset, right? For the weight, we are going light to medium. If you're going heavy, you can't do 36 reps for each arm. That's just insane, right? So try this out. I actually want you guys to if you want to comment down below if you tried this before or seen it before, because I'm pretty sure I made this up myself. If you're wondering why I'm leaning to the side I'm working, it's because I feel the contraction way better this way. You can try this out. You can also just be straight with your back. I don't really care. It's more just personal preference what you feel the best, because usually when you feel it better, it is hitting the muscle better. Now it's time for my favorite part of the workout, which is arms, specifically biceps. So it's a pull workout, so it's every muscle you pull with, including the biceps. This is the first of 3 biceps exercises. It's just the standard standing bicep curl, and we're using a barbell. For this exercise, you want to not just throw the weight around, you actually want to feel the movement. So what a lot of people tend to do with this exercise is just drop the weight, but you don't want to do that. You actually want to lower it slowly and really tear that muscle fibers apart. So this is the heavy of the 3 biceps exercises. We're going 6 to 8 or 6 to 10 reps and going a little more heavy than the other 2. The reason for this is we want to train both heavy and light so kind of get strong, but we really focus on the hypertrophy and getting big, but I also kind of want to get stronger. So this is the reason why. So normally I wouldn't recommend using momentum, but if you don't have a training partner, doing what I'm showing right now is very good for really tearing the muscle fibers. I'm using momentum on the way up and then really going slow down. So this is kind of half reps, and this is just to really burn out the muscle and get it tired. For the next exercise, you want to use a bench at 45 degrees incline and also 2 ticks at the seat. So you want to take the seat up as well. It kind of depends on the bench how it works. So when you're performing the exercise, you're seated like this, and you start with a pronated grip, but then you turn it into supinated when you go past the hip. And adding rotation to your bicep curl in this way really hits the bicep in every single way possible, and it also gives you a great mind muscle connection and contraction. The reason why we're doing it inclined is to get our arms behind our back, and when you get your arms behind your back doing a bicep curl, you will hit the long head, and when you're just doing it normally, just seated or standing, you will hit the short head more. So the short head is the part of the biceps that points towards yourself, and the long head is the one you can see from kind of the peak of your bicep when you're flexing from behind. The last bicep exercise is the hammer curl. You want to perform this with no momentum. So momentum is what I'm gonna show here. It's when you really just use leg drive and stuff to get the weights up. So slow, contract the muscle, feel the mind muscle connection, and this will lead to the best amount of gains. The hammer curls hits something called the brachialis, which is a muscle kind of inside between the bicep and the tricep. This will push the other muscles out and make your arms appear way bigger. This is great if you want to fill out your t-shirts. When you're almost done and you want a few more reps, you can do it one arm at the time to let the other arm kind of rest between the reps. Last but not least, we have the neck shrug using the dumbbells, because a barbell will get in the way. You will hit your legs when you're doing the shrug. So you want to pull back and up, and you want to lean forward to hit the traps better. What I'm going to show now is what I see everyone doing, which is completely wrong. You will not hit your middle traps this way, you will only hit your upper traps. So for this, we're going extremely heavy. Just make sure you actually feel the contraction. That is going to be everything for the workout. Now we just have me flexing, trying my best. I'm kind of new to posing, so don't flame my form. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. Make sure to copy the workout in the description and subscribe to see my face again. Hope you enjoyed this video. I really, yeah, I put a lot of effort into this one, so I would truly appreciate it if you showed it some love. And yeah, can you rate my posting in the comments down below? I actually want to know, like, am I doing this shit correct? Yeah, catch you guys next time. Peace.